Hi, let's talk today about JavaScript achievements of the year 2018 and key front-end trends. I'm Anatoly, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. Apparently, a major achievement for the front-end community this year is an establishment of joint organization by Node.js Foundation and JS Foundation. First of all, it's aimed to support Node.js and JavaScript communities. It is very important for a steady and healthy growth of the JavaScript ecosystem. React 16.3 has brought a new version of API context, fresh lifecycle methods, tricks, mode, and more, and that might be a game changer in React ecosystem. It's possible that Context API in combination with GraphQL and React hooks could replace all state management libraries. Another great news this year is Dino. Randall, an author of Node.js who quitted the project, has made a report, 10 things I regret about Node.js. He presented his new project, Dino, that is simply better with major issues fixed. ES 2018 was officially released and published at the end of June by TC39. JavaScript has been enhanced with new powerful features, async iterators and generators, object rest and spread properties. Promise prototype finally, and various gaps. This year we're spectating on steady JavaScript's maturing. Webpack 4 has been published. It contains faster builds, smaller bundles about 10% less, and what is more important, zero starting config. In addition, it supports module types and WebAssembly. And that is good. Houdini has introduced a low-level JavaScript APIs for the browser's render engine. Houdini has potential to radically change CSS approach. Chrome Canary already supports some APIs, such as Layout, Paint, Animation Worklets, and others. Safari, Firefox, and Opera have this feature under development. This summer, Microsoft acquired GitHub. On the one hand, it's an open-source identity crisis, they say. On the other, Microsoft called for developers' freedom, openness, and innovation. But what that really means for biggest open-source development platforms and communities? We'll see. Google In-Store has presented Material Design version 2. Now, that's not just a guideline, but a complete set of the tools, components, assets, and collections that can be adopted for your project. That's all in my list. What about you? In your opinion, what's the most influenced on the front end this year? Leave your comments down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year!